This is a quick tutorial on how to do a backup and restore the database on %POS. First, if you would go into your website, so here under the %POS installation folder on Google Drive, you will see a blank database files folder, and you will be able to find a blank restaurant or a restaurant backup and a blank retail backup. You can download any of these two backups onto your computer, so that way it would be easy to restore. Once you have downloaded your files, you will be going and navigating into your downloads folder, so that way you can do a backup or a copy of these files. For easier access to be able to do the backup, I recommend to do a copy. Go into your local C drive, go into Program Files, navigate into Microsoft SQL Server, then go into SQL Express, inside MS SQL, go into the backup folder and do a paste of the databases in here. Once your databases are in your folder, you will be closing out of this file. You will be opening your Microsoft SQL Server 2014 and opening the Management Studio. To open up Microsoft SQL Management Studio, you'll just simply connect, go into Databases. Here you're going to be right-clicking on databases and you will be doing a restore of the database. So we will click on Restore Database. We will be selecting Device. You will select this icon here on the right-hand side with the 3 dots. You will press Add. And this will take you directly into the backup folder so you can select your appropriate database. Once selecting your database, you will press OK. Press OK. And then you will go ahead and simply press OK here in the bottom, and it will start the restore process. Once it's restored, now you will see your restore here on the bottom. So this will allow you to go into %POS folder. So if you go back into my computer, go into here, go into the %POS folder on your C drive and click on the connections. Here you would be able to go and type in retail, do a test, and it should go and show you a connection that is successful. Now to back up your database, you will go back into SQL Server 2014, reopen Management Studio. Management Studio is open, you will be going and connecting. You will reopen your databases folder and you will simply click on the database that you would like to back up. So you would right click, go to Task, go to Backup. Here you will go in, either select this destination or you can add a new destination. So here you can go and simply press on this little icon here, put in your file name. What I would recommend you go in, you put in your file name is the .back for simplicity. Press OK. This will show up here and then you would press OK. Once you do that, then you'll see that the backup of the database has been successful. And we can close out. And that is how you do a backup and restore of your database for %POS.